Painting stucco versus removing and replacing it is a practical decision driven by the condition of the existing stucco and long-term moisture management. If the stucco surface is sound with only hairline cracks, you can repair and repaint rather than remove everything. Start by testing adhesion with a 5" by 5" scrape to see if the base coats are bonded. Any loose or powdery material means deeper failure. For hairline cracks, use a high-quality elastomeric patch and press it into the crack. Then tool it smooth so it bridges movement. Allow full cure per the manufacturer before top coating. If the substrate is solid and dry, apply an acrylic masonry paint or a high-performance elastomeric top coat that matches the building movement characteristics. And follow 3-coat best practices. Prime porous areas, apply full coverage base, then finish with a uniform top coat. Always clean surfaces with a pressure wash set to safe pressure, and use a masonry cleaner to remove efflorescence and salt before repairs. Critical step is to inspect and repair flashing, windows, doors, roof-to-wall junctions and through wall penetrations to eliminate leaks before painting, to avoid trapping moisture and creating future failures. Common mistakes are painting over failing stucco without testing adhesion, which causes peeling shortly after. So always test small areas and repair or remove any delaminated sections. Another issue is ignoring moisture sources, such as damaged flashing or missing kickout diverters, which lets water reach the new coating. So inspect and repair all flashings and transition details before repainting. A third frequent problem is using an inappropriate paint, like standard latex, on a highly chalking or saline surface, which leads to poor adhesion. So use acrylic masonry paint or elastomeric systems and follow surface preparation guidelines to ensure long-term performance. We run bighomeprojects.com, where we help homeowners compare options for painting or replacing stucco and locate local contractors who offer both repair and recoat services. Our site also hosts an active discussion community where homeowners and contractors exchange experiences, photos, and practical advice to help guide project decisions.